Welcome to the fourth and final session on trigonometry problems that we are practicing. And here is question number 16. We have to prove that this expression on the left hand side is equal to 0. Now if you look at the terms here, we have cosine of pi by 13, we have cosine of 9 pi by 13. That's a product of those two terms. And then we have these two other terms which have been added. They are cos 3 pi by 13 and cos 5 pi by 13. Now we know that cos a plus cos b equals 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. And if you look at these two terms, 5 pi by 13 and 3 pi by 13, and you treat the bigger angle, that is 5 pi by 13 as a and 3 pi by 13 as b, you would notice that a minus b by 2, that is 5 pi by 13 minus 3 pi by 13 whole divided by 2, is actually pi by 13. Therefore, if we add these two terms here, we'll get a term which will contain cos pi by 13. And we also have cos pi by 13 in this first term here. Therefore, we'll have a possibility of taking that as common and maybe simplifying the expression. So let us try that. So left hand side LHS equals 2 times cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos a plus cos b, so that becomes 2 times cos a plus b by 2, which is cos 4 pi by 13 times cos a minus b by 2, which is cos pi by 13. And let's take 2 cos pi by 13 as common. And we have in the brackets cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 4 pi by 13. And we can once again apply the formula of cos a plus cos b. So we have here 2 cos pi by 13 times 2 cos a plus b by 2, which here would be 9 pi plus 4 pi by 13 times 2, which is 13 pi by 26, which is actually pi by 2. So we have cos pi by 2 times cos a minus b by 2, which would be cos of 5 pi by 26. Now we have a familiar expression here in terms of cos pi by 2, and we know that it is nothing but 0. And it appears as a multiplicative term, so the whole thing becomes 0, which is what the right hand side is. And let us now move to problem number 17.